Hello everyone. So in this video, let us see an important interview program so called reverse integer. So from leetcode platform, so that is program number 7, which is from medium level. So actually, in interviews, just they'll ask you to reverse a number. That's it. So but here some constraints are given apart from that. Okay. So which helps you to build the logical thinking. It helps you to improve the logical thinking here. Okay. So observe here. So 32-bit signed integer is given here. We need to return x with digits reversed. Okay. If reversing x causes the value go outside 32-bit integer range minus 2 power 31 or 2 power 31 minus 1, then return 0. It's not required to return the a reversed number in that scenario. Okay. On reversing, so the number, okay, so it may exceeds minus 2 power 31 value or else 2 power 31 minus 1 like that, right? So in that scenario, it's not required to return the reversed number. Okay, we need to return 0. So here it's given assume that environment does not allow you to store 64-bit integers. Okay, the 32-bit integers are storing. Okay, so fine. That's why they asked it. It's not storing 64-bit, right? Okay. So if it crossing, so the minus 2 power 31 or else 2 power 31 minus 1 means we need to return 0 because it is not possible to store 64-bit. Okay. That is the meaning of this statement. I hope you understood. So here, for first example, 123 is given on reversing that one, I'll get so 321. Okay, it's fine. There is no problem in it. So, but if you take so the second example here, negative value is given. Okay, so what are the operations you are going to observe now for the positive number should not apply for the negative number. Okay, because we are not going to get the same results. Okay, whatever we are going to get for the positive number. So that's why how we need to reverse the negative number. So I'll explain in detail. Okay. So all of you observe that after completion of explaining how to reverse the positive number, I'll explain how to reverse the negative number also. Okay. And if you take the topics, it is from mathematics. Okay. So after completion of this, okay, you need to go through this reverse bits and a number after a double reversal. Okay, so gone through this. Now I'll explain for sample input, okay, how we can reverse a number, okay. So let us take input small value called so 12, okay. Now on reversing, so this one will get so the 21, okay. Here, so in sum of digits, Arshad number program and all this I explained. So how to fetch the digits in a number, okay, and how to reduce number of digits in a number by one, okay. You all know this. So now the thing is here after retrieving the digits from the number, so continuously we need to multiply with the 10, okay. So on multiplying so with the 10, so digits whatever we are fetching, okay, from the right side, so moves towards the left side, okay, and whatever the digits we are fetching from the left side should be added towards the right side, okay. So that is initially we are going to pick digit 2, right, okay. So in that scenario, so it's not required to multiply with 10 any value. Okay. Initially, so we need to multiply so 10 with 0 and we need to add 2. So what is the result we are going to get? 2. Right. Okay. Next. After this, we need to reduce the number of digits in a number by 1. Okay. So that is it becomes 1. Next. Same thing we need to repeat. So 1 modulus division of 10. So you'll get remainder as 1 because it's a smaller value. Okay. Next. Now what is the previous result we got here? Okay. Result variable is 2 right now. Now at the time of retrieving, so the tens place value, okay. So the previous result we need to multiply with 10. And after that, so whatever the digit we fetched, so just now we should add at the ending. Okay. So Earlier we added so 2, right? Okay, after fetching. So likewise, now we are retrieving 1. So we need to add that. So what is the result we are getting? Okay, it's 21. You can check this. So here it's converted to 21. The simple thing concept is okay. So after retrieving the so digits, so we need to multiply. So previously retrieved digits with the 10, and so current digits we need to add at the ending. Okay, so that it becomes so the reversed number. So but here the thing is how we can reverse the negative number. Okay, so that is like this. 12 we need to reverse as minus 21. So for that sake, I'll tell you the procedure now. So directly you should not go for so doing these type of operations minus 12 modulus division of 10 all this. You won't get minus 2. Okay. So it will be different. It's not required to discuss now. Okay. But remember one thing, you won't get the same results whatever you got for the positive number. So now the thing is, first we should collect the sign, okay? Whether it's a positive number or else a negative number, okay? So here it's clearly so understood that it's a negative number, okay? If it is positive number, we should so consider sign variable. We should take sign variable value as 1. If it is negative number, we should take sign variable value as minus 1. This is the first step, okay? Step 1. Step 1 is collect sign. Okay. So next, after collecting it, so the next step, so that is step 2 here is so convert so the number to positive. If it is positive already, it's there is no problem. Okay. If it is negative, yes, it is required to convert. Okay. So then only we can reverse the number. Okay, easily. If you what I said in the beginning, directly if you go for reversing so the directly if you go for retrieving digits in the positive number, it becomes difficult, right? That's why so finally actually we need to we have to assign minus symbol, right? Okay, that's why initially I'm collecting so the sign. Okay, next of all so we need to reverse the number. Okay, so for that sake I am converting number to positive here. Okay, and so n is equals to absolute of n we need to take. Okay, in this scenario it converts into so 12. Okay, after this so the next step is so reverse. Okay, reverse a number. On reversing a number, so the n becomes okay, so 21. Reverse becomes so the 21. After this we need to multiply sign to reverse number. So we need to multiply sign to reversed number. Okay, so what you'll get? Minus 1 into 21, it's become minus 21. I hope you understood how we can so the reverse negative values here. Okay, first of all, we should check whether it's a positive or negative. If it is negative, we should take sign variable value as minus 1. Okay, so next to this, we need to convert number to the positive, okay, with the help of absolute function, so that we can retrieve digits in a proper way and we can reverse it. Yes, after that we can reverse it. Already I explained how we can reverse the number. We should retrieve the digits, okay, and so previously retrieved digits we should multiply with 10, and currently retrieved digit we need to add, and each and every time we need to reduce one digit in a number. Okay. Finally, after completion of that, we need to multiply. So we should multiply sign to a reversed number. Okay, so that finally we are going to get. If it is positive number, yes, we are going to get positive number. After this, we should check the boundary constraints. Okay, check boundary constraints and return result according to that. Okay. So means if it's crossing boundaries means return 0. If not, return the so reverse a number. Okay. So that's it. I hope you understood. So how we need to design so the program here. Okay. So let us quickly implement so this solution now. So observe everyone here already. So class solution is given. Okay. Inside of that, so reverse method is given. Okay. X variable is given. We need to work with X variable here. Finally, we need to return the integer type value. Okay. So fine. Let us design now. First of all, what is it? What is the first step? Collect the sign. Okay. So check everyone. Sign is -1 if what is the condition for negative? X less than 0, right? If given number, so value is less than of 0, as sign variable initializes with -1, else 1. If it is greater than or is equals to 0, so then one value assigns to the sign variable, okay? So this is the first step. And what is the second step? Convert number to the, so positive, okay? So let us take x is equals to absolute of, so x and the next. So after this, we need to reverse a number, okay? Here, although it is the multiplication model program, initially we should start result storing variable with 0 because initially we are going to retrieve units place value, right? Okay. At the time of so picking unit tens place value onwards, we need to start multiplying with 10. Initially, it should multiply with 0 only. 10 should multiply with 0 only. That's why I'm taking reverse variable to 0 and so this is the common condition we observe in retrieving digits in a number program. Okay, until x variable value becomes 0, we should keep on repeat the loop. Okay, so what we need to do, reverse variable continuously we should apply update by multiplying previous result with the 10 and so we need to add current retrieve digit. Okay, so I'm retrieving digit with the help of modulus division of 10 expression and result previous result I am multiplying so with the 10. Okay, and so after this we need to reduce one digit in a number with the help of so this expression, that is x is equals to x divided by 10. Okay, after completion of this, what is the next step? Reverse completed. Now we should multiply so the sign to reverse number. Afterwards only should check whether it's crossing so the boundary constraint or not. Okay. So let us take reverse is equals to reverse number only we should multiply, right? Okay. Reverse we need to update here. So it's sign into reverse. Okay. We should check whether this reversed number is crossing so the boundary constraint or not. Okay. It's fine. So observe this. If for suppose reversal number is less than of -2 power 31, so or reverse number if it is greater than of so 2 power 31 minus 1. If any one of these condition becomes true, in that scenario we need to return 0. It's not possible to store 64-bit. It is 32-bit range, okay? If it is crossing, exceeding this range means it's not possible. It is not possible to fit that value in the memory location. You need to return 0, okay? So next, if it is possible, as we need to return that reversed number here, okay? So that's it. Let us check now. So by testing and submitting, as base case is executed here, let us submit now. Yeah, it's working. Fine. So that's it. This is the program that is interviewer expected actually. So, but here in leetcode platform, some constraints are given, negative numbers are given. That's why we worked with this, okay? And some constraint is given. That's why we observed all this, okay? Uh, so next video, I'm going to explain the palindrome program. So which is extension to the reverse. You all know this, okay? If reverse number matches with the so input number, then it's called palindrome, okay? So that is before going to watch so the palindrome video, it is better to observe so this, okay? So that you can easily understood that. So that's it for this video. I hope so each and everyone understood so this one. Thank you everyone. Let us meet in the next video, okay?